Living in society, if you think you're not in a position to contribute anything to society, at least you can become a no-problem person for others. To be able to lead a respectable life in society, there is a very necessary condition, and that is, you must become someone who's beneficial to others, a giver, or at least a no-problem person as far as others are concerned. Other than these two options, there is no way for you to lead a respectable life in the society. Those who think there is a third way only go on to create trouble in the society, and for themselves too. Social existence is always based on the principle of give and take. If you are contributing positively to the society, society will regard you with respect. And if you think you're not in a position to contribute anything to the society, at least you could become a no-problem person for others. If you become a giver, as far as others are concerned, you're still helping society progress. And if you become a no-problem person, you're still playing a social role by not placing an obstacle in somebody else's progress. In the former case, you're directly helping, and in the latter case, you're indirectly helping the society. But those people who are neither givers nor no-problem persons are just becoming a burden on the society. Although, according to conventional law, these people may not be criminals. But this is exactly what they are in terms of etiquettes of human life.